happy 4th of July, Independence Day, a very important day for our country. And as you well know, got George Washington's tattoo. Me and my wife teach American Revolution, so we love, and we have a smoky ambiance. Good job on building a fire, right? We thought that since Lisa's healing and I'm healing, I would show you, these are called Scapes. And all along here we have garlic, and this is called a garlic scape. And what you do with these, you'll never see them in a store, maybe an Asian market, but they don't sell these. They usually throw them away. But basically, you just take it and cut it off. Doesn't really matter where. You can go way down low, or you can go up high. If you get too low, however, it's kind of bitter. So I usually go somewhere around there, a little bit more than halfway down. Oh, we missed a couple. They tried to escape. Bad. All right, so these are scapes. What do you do with these? A lot of different things. Up here, if you crunched all this up and put it in a soup, it would be like sticking a clove of garlic. Oh, smells like garlic. It's wonderful. What you can do with these is, let me put them here. You can see all the ones that we got. It's one of the few veggies that you get to harvest twice a year. So what you do is you would cut this part off if you're not going to use the bulb. This is kind of going to seed, so I wouldn't use it. I would cut this off, cut it into asparagus size, and you can fry it, you can boil it. It tastes like garlic and scallions and onions all mixed. The texture's about like asparagus. And again, you can use the bulbs for cooking. Throw it in. You can actually throw this, you can mince it like green onions and throw the whole thing in a soup or a stew. Don't throw these away if you're growing your garlic. It's so wonderful and super healthy. But again, you're not going to find this in the store. But you can check out our online store at bffidaho.com, and we'll be selling a few of these. We want to keep them because they're so good. But we'll have some for sale. So that is your lesson on what to do with what to do with garlic scapes.